Who's in charge today?
Huh?
Who's in charge today? How you doing? I'm with State of Oregon, Oregon OSHA. Looks like you got a little bit of a shoring problem going on.
That's it. That's what we're installing right now.
Well, he can't be down there.
Okay.
How are you going to get him out?
Showing or what? Jim, just unhook that thing. Sorry. Watch it.
You want to see why he can't be down there?
What?
That's why he can't be down there.
Okay, it's still sheets you gotta go in.
Okay, you got to get him out. And I hope you get him out soon.
Go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
How long you guys been working here?
About 3 hours.
Okay. How deep are you there?
About 21 feet.
With 2 workers literally seeing an early grave every month, trench safety is something we can't talk enough about. It's worth the time and effort to educate yourself and your teams on what to do. What I'm asking is pretty simple. I'm telling you to comply with OSHA's trenching and excavation requirements found in the 1926.651 and 1926.652 standards. So first off, an excavation is any man-made cut, cavity, trench, or depression in an earth surface created as a result of earth removal. The term trench is referring to a narrow excavation in relation to its length made below the surface of the ground. In general, the depth is greater than the width, but the width of a trench, which is measured at the bottom, is not greater than 15 feet. As we talk about depths and requirements, it's important you memorize these key numbers. OSHA requires the employer to provide safe access and egress to all excavations, including ladders, steps, ramps, or other safe means of exit for employees working in trench excavations 4 feet or deeper. These devices must be located within 25 feet from all workers. Now, with trenches 5 feet deep or greater, they require an actual protective system unless the excavation is made entirely within stable rock, which is rarely the case. Trenches that reach 20 feet deep or greater require that the protective system be designed by a registered professional engineer or be based on tabulated data prepared and/or approved by a registered professional engineer in accordance with 1926.652B and C. I can't tell you how many contractors skip this step. This isn't an option. This engineered approval needs to be a part of your project pre-planning stage. No, we're not talking about production dollars. We're talking about people's lives. Now, OSHA standards also require that employers have a competent person inspect trenches daily, and as conditions change, by a competent person before worker entry to ensure elimination of excavation hazards. If you didn't know, a competent person is an individual who is capable of identifying existing and predictable hazards or working conditions that are hazardous, unsanitary, or dangerous to workers, soil types, and protective systems required, and who is authorized to take prompt corrective measures to eliminate these hazards and conditions. I hope you have that person on site. They're kind of a big deal. Regarding protective systems, there are a few main types you need to familiarize yourself with. They are benching, sloping, and shielding. Each has its own benefit, and some can only be used within specific soil types. We don't have time to get into that here, but if you need help, shoot us an email and we'll get a now safety consultant involved to help you. Don't forget, we also have a solid trench and excavation training available to you right now on this platform. Please realize how important this is. I'm tired of hearing of live burials. It's just tragic. And with that, I'd ask that you please be careful out there today. Your loved ones and the loved ones of your teammates are depending on you to make good, safe choices today. Be a leader and lead by example. I'll see you in the next one.